Oh, yeah, yeah.
Ah, Walmart. Wally World, sabi ni Pedro. Wally World. Tignan nyo guys. Yan. Amerigas. So, Amerigas. Ano na siya? Parang vendo. Marami naman kasi dito vendo na. So, meron dito Panda Express, yung ayaw ko. Dito kami kumain on. Tapos, Pollo Loco. Nasa loob na si Pedro. Ayan guys. Ano yan? Oh, ito yung aming... Uy, we still have cake in the house. Nag-bake ako ng cake kahapon guys. Chocolate cake. So, yan yung mga choices nila dito. Mga cakes. Tapos pwede mo na lagyan ng icing yung mga yan. Ready cakes. Mas mura nga dito guys eh. Ito, binibili ko to. Ito lang maliit. Binibili ko to. For how much ba to? Mura lang to. $2, ay $7 lang. $7.98. Ito, ganitong cake. Maliit lang. Parang mini cake na rectangle. $13. $13.92. Ito naman, $7.42 yung mga ganitong round. French style cheesecake. Parang masarap to. Oh, gusto nito ni Pedro. Kung meron silang mango cake, gusto niya yun. Ito gusto niya to eh. Strawberry cake. Ito naman ang gusto ko. Pero meron pa kaming cake sa bahay. Ayoko naman masobraan sa sweets. Kasi ang problema sa sweets ay lalo lumalaki yung tiyan ko. Yan, meron dito parang ready-made na. Ito. Beef soup dumplings. Hoy, meron din sila dito mga rolls. Oh, I like this. Ano to? Crunch roll with wasabi. Crunch rolls. I don't know kung ano bang laman nito. Sushi rice, tempura shrimp, and nori. Ewan ko kung masarap. Pero baka magnabi kasi kami mamaya. Tapos may ready, made silang salad. Ito. Yung ganito, yung mga sushi nila guys, $4.98. Yung ganito. Meron din silang ramen, oh. Ay, magugustuhan to ni Pedro. Uy, ito, naka-sale siya. Naka-sale siya. Tokyo style shoyu ramen bowl. Ito, oh. $2 lang naka-sale. Kukunan ko si Pedro nito. Ano bang to naka-sale? MK's beef udon. Itong udon. With rice. From $6.98, $2 na lang. With rice. Asan yung udon? Minsan kasi nandadaya sila. Pero alam ko udon to eh. Sweet rice with rice pala to. Asan yung udon? Oh, tingnan nyo. Guys, nilagay nila dito udon bowl. $6.98. Tonkatsu Tokyo bowl. Chick. Hanapin ko yung udon. Baka meron pang udon. Wala na. Kukuha sana ako. Diyan mo, maluloko pa ako. $2. Tapos may mga salad din sila. May tinidor na rin sa loob. $4.98. May salad ako sa bahay. Ito mas siya, $2.98 lang. Ang Miss ko yung flowers. Magkano flowers ngayon? $19. Magkasama ng vase. May vase ako sa bahay. Madami naman. Check natin kung may mga sale. Ito, $2 lang. Maganda bumili ng flowers sa Smith. Saka tayo ng cilantro. Paborito namin to. Cilantro. Okay, cilantro. Kailangan ko ng plastic. Meron pala dun. Jologs. Si Pedro nakipagkwentuhan. Si Pedro mahilig makipagkwentuhan yan. Pala kaibigan yan eh. Daming tinapay guys. So, paniderya. Kuha tayo ng broccoli. Si Mama at saka si Pedro, hindi magulay itong mga to. Pero nadadaya ko. Para ako lagi nagpapakain ng mga bata. Para ako may dalawang bata lagi na pinakakain. Kasi nga, kailangan mo silang dayain. Si Mama, no choice na lang siya. Gusto ko kasi humaba ang buhay. Gusto ko kasi humaba ang buhay ni Mama. Mahirap ang sakit niya. Pero, iwala lang. Kaya natin yan. Ang himala daw ng Diyos ay nasa mga tumutubo sa lupa. Tapos, meron pa akong asparagus sa bahay. Gusto ko to, mais. Sobrang tamis ito guys. Sweet corn. Sobrang tamis. Tapos, kuha tayo. Hindi na ako masyado kailangan natin ng celery. Gagamitin ko to sa salad namin ni Pedro. Tapos, ito, nilalagay ko din to sa shake ni Pedro. Itong baby cucumber, carrots, ito ba? Ano pa bang kailangan natin? Mini-video na naman ako nung isang yun, oh. Ang kulit. Meron pa tayo sibuyas. Parang wala na. Love, I'll get sibuyas.
What's that?
I'm carrying lots
What's that?
for goats. This is the food for the goats. I have this broccoli, my love.
Broccoli? Like,
And then, ito, celery.
oh, yeah,
You
you,
know,
said about that.
Celery is
look what I
really
bought.
healthy.
This sausage.
Oh, you still
for
have
the beef
sausage?
soup.
Okay. You still have Italian sausage at
For
home.
my homemade nabe soup, alright? That's
Oh.
pepperoni food to help.
But oh, wait, grabe naman to. Nagastos ko daw yung pera niya. Di naman. Patay ng dalawang onion. Lalaki yung onion nila dito, guys. Tapos grabe ka naman. Inagas ko daw yung pera
You
niya.
don't want to know what I'm saying. You know what I'm doing with you.
Loko-loko ka talaga.
I sent it to you anyway. Just see it later.
Oh,
So we have the
yeah. Ay, sibuyas. I'm okay with sibuyas. Cilantro. Ha? Egg. Get ano. Gumawa din tayo nito. Broccoli, cauliflower. Parang masarap guys. Parang gusto kong ang tawag sa ganun. Bibili pala ako ng gatas. Anong tawag sa ganun? Yung puro gulay. Kalimutan ko guys. Tapos ubas. Last time ang tamis ng ubas. Pag masyado na malambot yung ubas, ginagawa kong shake ni Pedro tsaka ni Mama. Ay, sobrang lambot naman ito. Dati hindi naman ito mga tumahilig sa pruta, sa gulay. Pero
Sorry. This
sinasa
is buttoned down.
sinasama
Or pocket
talaga nyo
down,
guys.
whatever
So,
you call it.
puro healthy yan.
Alright, pa. Alright, pa.
Cheese.
Okay.
And ano pa ba? Oh, try natin yung ano, yung trending na ano. Ito, try natin tong cream cheese na to, $1 lang.
I got the Bobby approved app for the meats. What do you mean? The guy that approves the meats.
Yeah, but it's expensive.
But hey, listen, I need to eat healthy.
Yeah, but this is healthy, oh,
I
gulay.
mean, yeah, everything we got so far.
Yeah.
Eggs is not here. It's double endless.
Ah, sige.
We need milk from mom.
Yeah.
Leche. You know leche?
Leche.
Did you have butter?
Yeah, I still have. So, kuha tayo ng
Remember,
gata.
my chicken now is different.
Oo nga. So, kuha tayo ng gatas si Mama.
Oh yeah, cheese. We're good. I have the right kind of cheese.
Yeah, love. We're
Okay.
good. Oh,
Yeah, I'm
too
checking.
big.
I'm making sure, okay? Sawa?
Oo,
We
sige.
gotta eat healthy. We need water?
Yeah.
We need water.
Kuha
We always
kami-
need water.
Kuha kami ng tubig at saka ng...
Tubig. I need tubig. Minis.
I don't know if it's
For
for her.
yeah, she's beginning to need soda, like, because she doesn't need that much sugar no more. So she's controlled. She can have now.
Kala mo ah. Let's go tayo ng Cheetos.
Okay, never mind.
Sorry. Cheddar
Bobby's not approving
jalapeno.
of it. I can't eat it. You know what? The hell with Bobby.
Yeah, I don't care about Bobby. Bobby. You know Bobby. Let's go na natin to. Cranberry kay Mama. I don't like chicharon.
Blue corn. Ube corn. Teacher.
Oy! Asla, ito oh, avocado oil oh.
That's
Oh,
better. Sea salt. Is that sea salt?
brand.
Yeah, use that. That's better.
With avocado. But I don't know if it.
He recommended stuff like that, so try those.
Yeah, but I don't know what.
They're better
If
than
this
the
is
rest.
pop. Is it popcorn lang?
What do you mean popcorn?
I don't know if it's chips or what. Is that chip? O ito oh, sea salt, avocado oil, my love.
That one.
Sea salt with hint of
That's what
pink
you want. Yeah,
peppercorn.
they're chips. I can feel them.
Ito.
They're chips.
You,
Yeah,
you
I feel
choose.
it. They're chips.
$3 lang tong ganito guys. So, apple cider. Oh, you choose.
That sea salt.
We
That's a
wanna
special
try.
sauce. Sea salt.
Oh,
Oh, you want to try? I'll take sea salt any day with this.
ito.
I forget the sauce.
One only lang.
Huh?
One only.
You want two of them? Give me two.
No, it's up to you. You're the one who's gonna
Buy
eat
two.
them.
One for me and one for you.
No, I have this eh. I wanna try this, love.
Oh, see,
With
that's good.
with this and cream of
Oh.
cream cheese.
Oh.
That's on it, trending in TikTok. I wanna try it. But I don't know the taste yet. But I think it's gonna be good because of the bell pepper. I like bell pepper. Tapos yan.
No popcorn, right?
Yung ano nila dito, guys. Popcorn. Ay, we don't have popcorn. Yeah. We're planning to buy, guys, yung ano, yung popcorn ng Amazon na
Do we still
popcorn
have green
maker.
olives?
Oo, dalawa.
You sure?
Ritz, my love. Regular
Just send me
Ritz.
the regular Ritz. Yeah.
Eto? I think this is the original.
Well, let's
Or
get
the small one.
size, the small
Yeah.
one. No. That's what I got Sisti or bake with.
Kaya
oh,
nga,
that's the
ito
one.
original.
That's the one.
Ayan.
That's the
Ito,
one.
398 yung maliit
Look,
lang.
This is good.
Ayan. Masarap yan, snacking namin sa gabi.
Look, sea salt, oil, flatbread.
I think that's the, ano. And that's also, it's the same price, love. 398. This
up
is
to you.
cheaper, I think.
I don't
Better
know, try
goods.
Sea salt, but it's salted with olive oil, flatbread crackers.
Oh, this is better, asawa.
It is.
You wanna try it?
Yeah.
Instead of Ritz?
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's try that.
Try natin to. Ano to? California sourdough pa.
Yeah,
It's
that's good.
sourdough,
That's
sea
gotten
salt and
better.
olive oil.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna like it.
Mm.
Right.
Oh yeah, kailangan nyo lang pumili pala dito ng... Kasi mahilig kami kumain. Well, mahilig kami kumain. Pili na lang kami ng ano, medyo healthy ng kaunti. Kaunti. Ayan. Parang sarap nito, chips ako. Stranger Things. Parang gusto ko nito. 4.90. Stranger Things. Love. Stranger Things. Netflix. Chips Ahoy.
Oh, but that's not good for. You can have them. I don't.
Yeah, I
wanna
like
touch
it.
them. You can
Chips.
take it.
I like chips.
Okay, you do. Mommy and you're gonna have fun with that.
Yeah.
Do we
Oh,
need
yan na.
spaghetti? Do we need?
We need noodles.
Let's see if we can breathe.
So, meron dito. Guys, dito, uso to. Chicken broth.
No, there's only one.
It's
We're gonna
okay.
have to grab the regular ones.
No, it's okay. We still have
Yeah,
naman.
but we just put more. It's okay.
Oh, it's enough na. We
Still, we need them. It's okay.
Oh, we need spaghetti sauce. So,
Can I get
kailangan
one?
din natin ng spaghetti
The
sauce.
sausage one, right?
Yeah,
With,
Italian
Prego.
sausage. Ito. Ito yung gamit namin, guys. Italian sausage garlic. We'll get to. Labo. It's heavy, asawa. 248 lang to, guys. And then we need this na asawa. Eto, chicken Vienna. Pag nagmamadali kami, kailangan namin to. As parang pinaka-sausage namin. Mabilis lang kasi ito
We don't need
maluto.
chili no more, right?
No.
Okay.
We still have there one can item. Let's go. Ito yung gamit kong Parmesan cheese. Great value like kinukuha ko kasi home brand nila yon.
Tuna with onions. Remember tuna?
Oh yeah, I love it. But we still have 2 cans there. I wanna get rid of. Oh, love this. This is important, guys, for
Oh,
mama.
Yeah.
So, kunin natin. Ano bang mas
Grab the little one, that one.
Oh, I'd rather have this. $3 only for a bigger one. Per
Well,
viewer. First, this is still. You just eat a little and you will have a bigger one. Because I need bigger one for mama.
Okay.
Kasi si mama, mahirap na siyang mag-take ng medicine. Guys. Kailangan niya to. So, kung kayo may pasyente na mahirap mag-take ng medicines.
Oh, he recommended specific type of egg. I didn't buy that egg. I just grabbed the first egg that I saw. Love,
Oh,
I have to go back.
yeah.
Is it this one? No, you don't like.
Next time, it's egg.
Crap.
Egg is egg.
Egg is egg, yeah.
Yeah.
I prefer. He said it. It's not. It's not. They're all the same. It's just free range. I prefer it. That's what he said. That they're free.
It's
That's
okay.
the meat he's talking about.
Oh, yeah.
That's the meat right there.
Ito yung meat naman.
The beef.
Comparison natin. This is the beef that we're using, 798. Lean ground beef daw siya, 93% lean. Samantalang ito daw yung organic, 7. Oh, it's the same price, love.
Grass fed.
But this is grass fed, guys. 93% ng lean. But at least this is grass fed. So, love, what do you want? 90% lean or 93? But this is
90% lean.
this is organic. Dano, love.
Which one?
This is 90% lean. This is 93 only.
93.
Okay, ito daw. Kasi same lang sila ng price, guys. Pero ito,
Ground beef. This
Organic.
is the one he recommended. See? Grass
yeah,
fed.
yeah,
That's the
grass
one?
fed. Ito. This is the one that he recommended. Oh my goodness, it's cheap. It's expensive. It's
Oh,
more
it's okay, love.
expensive. Ito na lang. But it's the same,
It's
grass
about the
fed.
same- It's the same brand.
Yeah.
Grab it. It's the same brand.
Yeah. Wag nating lokohin sarili natin.
We're learning.
Yeah. Natututo na kami,
Bobby,
guys.
it's costing me money.
Oy, love.
Bobby should help me. Ooh. There's
No.
large. I don't like the minis. I like beefaroni. I like the large ravioli and beefaroni. How about that? One of mine.
Oh, yeah. Sige. Ito for emergency ni Pedro to.
Emergency.
Guys, di ba napansin
But
na,
that means it's when you don't cook.
yeah, banggit ko sa inyo, ito, kinalakihan to.
Emergency, yes, kasama ka na.
Ito yung kinalakihan na
When she
spaghetti,
doesn't cook for me,
pagkain ni Pedro.
Emergency. Open,
Ah.
break glass.
Yung
When
spaghetti in can. But this is beefaroni tsaka ravioli.
It's something. It's not gourmet,
But
but
it's only
He has a lot of beef that he
$1.34.
hello. There's a lot of beef that he's approving. A lot
Yeah.
of beef. Wow, so the list goes on and on and on.
Here
Oh
in
my-
Walmart.
Here in Walmart, yeah. I'm
But-
doing it based out of Walmart. I like this. It's not bad.
Siya kasi, guys.
It's a good app, man.
Siya kasi, guys, ang ano ko naman, pag hindi ko sila, pag di ako nakapagluto, tinamad ako yun. Tsaka siya kakain yan.
Okay.
Pag tinatamad ako magluto, talaga may panahon akong tamarin. Loves, you like the diba? The lentils. Tapos guys, natukuyan ko yung lentils. Masarap pala yung lentils. Even me nagustuhan ko. Para siyang natin. Ang lentils ay parang munggo natin. So, eto. Mura lang to.
Recommended a rice. We have
190.
rice. I know we do.
What's the different, love? What's the different
Oh, yeah.
of this?
Let me see.
This is green split.
I don't know.
Peas. This is lentils.
Yeah, not peas. We want lentils.
Okay. So, magkaiba pala yun. So, lentils tayo.
Lentils. That's what we want.
Lentils, ayan. Kuna natin lentils. Bamboo rolling.
Lentils are good, look.
Tingnan natin parang mga... Lentils is 192 lang naman yan,
No, I'm
guys.
not saying that, but
So,
Yes,
mura lang. I don't know if...
chicken.
No,
I
we
think it's
we don't have rice pa. Ang rice is 798. Lentils, see guys, sabi nila, mas healthy yung rice, ay yung lentils than rice. Tapos mas mura pa siya.
chicken breast.
Look at this, guys. Brown rice is cheaper than jasmine rice, white rice. 317 ito, 363. Oh, and guys, look at this. Meron din sila dito na luto na. I think microwavable to.
So you're not approving any chicken
May
breast?
seasoned rice na to, guys. So, $1 lang. I don't know if it's good. I don't know. I'm scared. Pero, saan ba to gawa? Hindi ko saan to? Tingnan nga natin. Chicago. Oh, gawa to dito. American to. Homemade and easy. I don't know. Pero yeah, tayo, rice tayo.
He doesn't approve no chicken breast in Walmart.
Yeah.
None. He doesn't like it here. So.
Oh, I'd rather get it here, Lam. It's okay. You know why? Oh, we need to go pa to Aldi's. For what? For that.
Chicken breast.
Huh? I
Let's see
don't
if he
wanna.
approves chicken. Wait. Does it?
Tapos meron din dito parang Asian spot.
See?
Yeah,
He's
puro
approving in all
Asian
these.
to.
Love. He's
Yeah.
approving a bunch of chicken breasts and all these. Love.
Mushrooms.
He's approving everything in all these with chicken breast.
Yeah, good stuff is
Aldi has
Aldi's.
Look, green. I mean, the list goes on.
Mhm.
Here, nothing. Would you want to grab it here?
Ano,
You want to go
ano?
to Aldi's? No?
I don't wanna go to Aldi's na.
Let's grab it here. I don't care. But just
Ayun.
grab a good one that looks good. You saw it? Grab
Alin?
one that looks good.
Kaya nga, I have organic chicken naman there.
You not grab it?
Later.
Steak tortillas, remember? We had
Huh?
tortillas, not a
Oh yeah, I forgot. I'll make it lang. Meron din Spanish area. Kuha tayo ng beef. I like the bigger one. Oh, wala silang big one. Wala silang big one. Alam niyo sa Asian market, $3 yata to. Dito $1 lang oh. Mas mura. Kuha ko ng 3. Ayan oh. Wala akong sardinas. Namimiss ko ng sardinas, guys. Tapos, ewan ko kung lumagpas na kami sa gatas. Kailangan ko kasi ng gatas. Magsusopas ako. Evap.
I got my coffee already. I'm running out.
How about the creamer asawa?
What creamer?